Love this. It's very simple and it's very easy. Have you made any video today? When I'm asking you, I mean you who says I want to make money online. You're a content creator or you're a social media entrepreneur. You're on a certain platform. Is it Facebook? Is it YouTube? Is it TikTok? But when you're on that platform, your aim there is to make money. Your aim is to make sure that you get passive income. That's your target. So if it is your target, my question is, did you make any video today on that platform? A video, it can be a short, it can be a real video. When I'm talking about a video, it is more than 3 minutes, and for a short, it can be up to 3 minutes. Whichever platform you're on, I mean that platform not for fun, but you're putting anything. Your mind is like, I'm putting this, I'll get this amount of money. Yes, I'm asking you. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, at whichever time you're watching me. This is Christine, your lady, the one who says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. So you guys, it's a disclaimer. I'm not a financial controller. I'm not a financial buoyant. I don't have money to give out for free. No. I bring for you 10% of what I know for you to do your research and add there 90%. If you want to take it, take it. If you don't want, it's up to you. But I bring for you the tips of how to make money with your smartphone only without investing anything. That's what I bring for you. Now let's go back. Did you make money today? Seriously, let's be real. When we are talking about making money online, it's not a simple thing. It's not a joke. You have to be dedicated. You have to post. You have to film. You have to download. You have to learn. You have to check, relearn, and learn. So if you're thinking that you are going to sit and say, I'm on Facebook, I'm on YouTube, so if I post something once for a month, for a week, I'll go at the end of the month, I withdraw like other people. That's a pure lie. You have to put in the doings. You have to work. You have to wake up in the morning with an intention. Today I'm going to post this. Tomorrow I'm going to be posting this. I'll be on Facebook. I'll be on YouTube. I'll be on TikTok, whichever. So if you know you have not posted anything and you're in a category of saying I want to make passive income with my smartphone, please go and discipline yourself. Start it right now. Now let me give you this as we end our short video. You guys, I always tell you, it's not simple, but it is simple if you do something that you love. Making money with your smartphone is simple, and it is again a bit hard. But if you do something you love, it will not be hard. So right now, get your phone, do what you love, and make money. That's it. Don't mind about how many views. Don't mind about who is going to like my video or who is not going to like my video. Do what you need to do. The rest is history. If they like, they like. If they don't like, you start learning. Why did they like it? What do I do? What do I subtract? That's all.